How to change phone number for your Facebook account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from AppGuide. In today's tutorial video, I will simply show you the way on how you can actually change your phone number for Facebook. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now you have to understand that in order to do this, make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update it to the latest version. Once you've updated Facebook, I'm going to go ahead and open the list of apps and then simply open the Facebook app, and then you want to make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. First of all, simply go to your menu page. As you go to your menu page like this, you have to scroll down to the bottom and then select the option which says Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and then select Settings again. Once you go to Settings, again you'll be able to see a list of different options. What you have to do is select the option which says Personal Information. As you select Personal Information, you can see another option which says Contact Info. Tap on it. Now over here, you'll be able to see your current phone number. Now you can also add a new phone number by tapping on Add Phone Number button without having to remove your old phone number as well. So you could basically go ahead and add up a new phone number on the screen. Or else what you could do is simply remove this current phone number by tapping on it and then tapping on the remove button which you see, and then you have the option called remove number. All you have to do is tap on it in order to remove that number from your Facebook account. And this is the way on how you can change number for your Facebook account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.